Okay, today we'll be opening up two of the same size Cartridge Fram Ultra Oil filters. Numbers XG11665. One of the filters was made in Brazil, and the other filter is made in Korea. And I got these two oil filters for free. Yep, a very generous viewer, whose name is Jonathan Nance from Jonesville, South Carolina, sent me these two oil filters. Thanks, Jonathan. These filters fit his 2022 Jeep Gladiator. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. And these two filters are going to duke it out. Brazil versus Korea. This could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
This is a where you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration, and here.
Okay, so let's start with the made in Brazil oil filter first. 20,000 mile protection. We look over here, we'll see synthetic blend media, 99% dirt trapping efficiency, and that's it right here. Particles greater than 20 microns. Look here, made in Brazil. Okay, so that's this filter here, made in Brazil. And the made in South Korea, also 20,000 mile protection. Look over here. Now this one has a dual layered synthetic media. Also provides 99% dirt trapping efficiency. And if we look over here, particles greater than 20 microns. Made in Korea. So this is the South Korea. This is the Brazil. They both have these silicone gaskets. And those go on the cover that hold these guys in. Although this made in South Korea one looks like it's got a silicone gasket here. And this one looks to be nitro rubber. Okay, so let's look at the Brazil one first. And right here. See if we can get this on camera there. I don't know if you can read that. It says made in Brazil. And this filter has 49 pleats. The seam right here, you see that crimp mark. And this is a synthetic blend media. And as it said on the box, 99% for particles greater than 20 microns. Okay, and this is a South Korea oil filter here. Right here's a seam right here. Yeah, it's right here. It's like an inside seam, I think, right there. And this filter has 48 pleats, one less pleat. This is a dual layer synthetic media. And the same micron rating, 99% for particles greater than 20 microns. They both got these little cage here, plastic, well, nylon. Call it nylon cage. This filter looks kind of yellowish on the inside, but white on the outside. See that? Yeah, and I think I forgot to show you this. Product of Korea in this filter. Let's get their weights. So the Korea filter weighs 50.8 grams. Brazil filter weighs 51.5 grams. And you can see this one's got the end caps a little bit there. And I'm going to take their widths actually right now. You're going to lose a little bit there, I think. Their widths, these are wide filters. 4.32 inches wide. 4.55 inches wide. And I got a little story on this Brazil oil filter. There's a little extra glue there. Jonathan bought these on Amazon. And he wasn't sure if these were legit filters, so he contacted Fram, and they said they were, and they actually sent him 2 replacements, and this is one of them. So this is a legit filter that he got from Amazon, and this filter here he got from Walmart. Cut these filters open, stretch them out, see what the filter media looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here they are both stretched out, and the Brazilian made filter is 34 inches long, and the South Korean-made filter is 33 inches long. Okay, so let's get the thickness on this filter media. And the Brazilian one is 0.76 millimeters thick. And the South Korean made filter is 0.60 millimeters thick. A little bit thinner. Let's take a look at these guys up close. This is the filtering side, back side. And both of these filters are made quite a bit different. They look different under the microscope picture also. Let's take a look at that picture right now. So you can see they both look different because they're made different. This Korean one, it said it's a dual layer, but they're actually both dual layer filters. You can see a double layer here. And this is a full synthetic. And the Brazilian one also is a dual layer. It looks like a cellulose layer here and a synthetic layer here. It's a soft, you can just kind of like scrape it off. See that? Synthetic layer on top. I mean, they're both going to filter very well. Both got good micron ratings. And the South Korea-made filter has this wire. Well, it's not a wire, but it's a plastic screen backing, which is a polymer backing. And this is really strong. Isn't going to tear or nothing. So that's one advantage with this filter media right here. Because this one doesn't have no backing on it at all. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So as you can see all this backing, polymer backing that was on the Korean filter. I mean, the gaskets here, these O-ring gaskets, I'd call that a tie. They're both plastic end caps, These are just a tie. I would call this a tie. They both look like well made. This one looks a little maybe beefier because of the wider little end cap here. But between the two, I think I'd go with the one that's got the polymer backing. Everything else is pretty equal about them. So I want to thank Jonathan for sending me these two Fram oil filters. And I also want to mention his website, SpartanSynthetics.com. He's an AMSOIL dealer. So if you're interested in buying any AMSOIL products, look him up. I'll put a link to his website down below. And with that being said, I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The Brazil filter media weighs 19.9 grams. The South Korea filter media weighs 23.5 grams.